What is the Da Vinci robot? The Da Vinci robot, developed by the company Intuitive Surgical, is one of the most advanced surgical systems in the world. It is a technological tool that allows surgeons to perform operations with unprecedented precision and control. It's a robot, but it's crucial to understand that it does not operate on its own. A human surgeon is always in command. The Da Vinci system is made up of a surgeon's console where the doctor sits to control movements, and a patient-side cart with robotic arms that hold the surgical tools. The robot also has a high-definition camera that provides a magnified 3D view of the inside of the body. The surgeon uses manual and foot controls at the console to move the robotic instruments. The system translates their hand movements into small, exact movements of the tools inside the patient, with a precision that goes beyond human ability. If the surgeon's hand naturally trembles, the robot filters it out, ensuring perfect stability. This technology allows for less invasive surgeries with smaller incisions, which reduces bleeding and scarring and speeds up patient recovery. In short, the Da Vinci robot is an incredible tool that doesn't replace the surgeon, but rather expands their capabilities and skills to perform surgeries with a precision that was once impossible, leading to better outcomes for patients.